Welcome to signin-with-us.com. This is a video series to help you quickly use Sign With Us to deploy your entire user management and authentication module for your website. In this video, we are going to see how to generate code for your domain. Please be sure to have already registered with Sign In With Us and have added a domain in your dashboard. To begin, visit signin-with-us.com from your favorite browser and log in using your registered email ID. Upon signing in, you will be placed into your dashboard. When you log in, you might find one or more domains added to your dashboard. If you do not, check out the video that explains how to add one. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will need to generate code for our application at subdomain expensemgr provided by herokuapp.com. All you need to do is click the button Get Code associated with the domain you need to work on. In this case, we will click the button next to expensemgr.herokuapp.com. You will notice a form opens up on the right half side of the window. The app ID and the app key are automatically populated. The theme ID is the layout of the sign-in form that will appear once you place the code in your website. We recommend at this point to leave it to the default, which is 03. The next two fields are very important. Sign In With Us works as a plugin where the response from the user authentication is passed back to the application. This is achieved with these two parameters. The login page. The login page determines the page your users will be redirected to upon their successful authentication. The logout page. The logout page, on the other hand, is the page where your users will be redirected to when they log out. One of the reasons for these two parameters is to allow you to perform any optional application-specific processing that you might want to conduct before redirecting them to the main application. For example, before you want the users to land on the main application page, you might want to set some cookies or session variables. Similarly, upon logout, you might want to specifically clear some cache or cookies. Thus, these two parameters essentially works as hooks into your main application. We will walk you through this in more detail in the video demonstrating how to place the code in your application. For now, the expense manager application, we want the login page to be expensemgr.html and the logout page to be index.html, as we want the user to return back to the login page upon logout. Then click on the Get Code button. A small text area will appear where your code is already selected for you. All you need to do is click Ctrl+C to copy it to the clipboard. You can actually come back to this code any number of times. So we highly recommend you to come to generate the code when you are almost ready to paste the code in your application. For now, we will copy this code into our clipboard. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy using Sign In With Us so you can focus on web application development and leave the user management and authentication to us.